Now another thing is, as you notice here, our labels look rather large, even for a 1/4 inch scale. And we're at the point right now where I want to tell you how you're going to make these annotations available for the other scale, the 3/16 scale. So if we wanted to make a correction before we do anything like that, let's take a look once again at our multi-leader style. Okay, we're using room label right now, and if I go and modify there, you can see the text that we're using, right? It's annotated. Now I can simply go back here and change the text height here. I can do that, but I have to be careful because any other label or text object that's using this will also be affected. Basically, you have two options right now. For this particular multi-leader style, I can either edit the text style that I'm currently using or simply switch to another text style, right? So it's all dependent on whether or not I have the available text style that I want here, or I can just simply create a whole new one. In this case, I'm simply going to adjust the size right here, and you'll see that once I apply and close, that it updates, right? So you can see, if I go back, you can see it's 3/8. It's even much larger. But I can also simply do this. I can select my 3/32 text or my 1/8 inch text. And so here I can come over to A notes there. You can see it's 1/8 inch, or I could simply select to another one that's a different text style or even a different size. Right? So that's one of the reasons why, if you do your room labels, right, as multi-leader styles, you'll be able to easily update them. Now the only drawback is also, as you change a style, these might shift around, right? And again, the reason why I want to do this before I start adding annotation scales is because then you may get a mess of your annotations, and that'll be harder to adjust later. So for example, right now, just for this scale, if I wanted to do some alignment too, I could do that. Okay,